Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your TikTok draft using your mobile devices. So if you want to edit it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now let's get started. So first you want to open your TikTok app and then go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And here you can see your drafts. So just go ahead and click on that and choose any video or drafts that you want to edit. So just go ahead and click on the draft, and here you can now start editing. You can add text, stickers, effects, anything that you want. And once you're happy with that, just go ahead and click on the next button. And now you can just go ahead and post that video. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.